Welcome to this video on SAP SD Training in New York. If you are looking to launch your career in sales and distribution, mastering the order-to-cash lifecycle is the perfect starting point. The migration to SAP S/4HANA is driving a massive demand for enterprise talent. As businesses modernize, SAP Sales and Distribution has become a critical engine for revenue, creating a significant gap between the need for skilled professionals and available supply. New York remains a premier hub for enterprise technology. Its status as a global business epicenter offers unparalleled career opportunities for SAP consultants across sectors like retail, manufacturing, healthcare, and logistics. SAP Sales and Distribution powers the entire order-to-cash lifecycle. This includes managing everything from the initial inquiry and quotation to sales order processing, delivery, shipping, and finally, billing to ensure the company gets paid. SAP SD acts as the central nexus for enterprise operations. It integrates seamlessly with other modules like materials management, production planning, finance, and warehouse management to improve operational efficiency and maintain accurate data. This video outlines a comprehensive blueprint for mastering modern sales workflows. We cover everything from foundational data and core processing to advanced mechanics, all building toward S/4HANA readiness. Your past experience is a great asset in SAP consulting. Whether you are a sales professional, a recent graduate, or an ERP end user, our training helps you bridge the gap to a specialized technical role. True expertise requires hands-on implementation, not just theory. Our approach replaces static textbook scenarios with live S/4HANA system access, real-world business case studies, and guidance from certified industry experts. Structured training unlocks a variety of high-growth consulting roles. Positions such as SAP SD consultant, functional consultant, or business analyst offer competitive salaries and long-term, future-proof career opportunities. Remember that certification is only the baseline. Placement support is your bridge to employment. A quality program balances technical mastery with career readiness, including resume building and mock technical interviews. When selecting a training institute, look for more than just classroom time. Ensure they provide experienced trainers, an S/4HANA specific curriculum, hands-on server access, flexible scheduling, and active mentorship. The formula for a future-proof career is simple. Combine market demand with deep expertise and hands-on practice. Master the order-to-cash process today and begin your career transformation in New York.